Hi, today in front of me Honor X6 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon. Here we'll get this down section with invisible options, and to add them to our panel we should just hold and drag the icon here. Now we just have no available space, so just to add the new options here we should remove some of these available options. To remove the icons, by the same way hold and drag option to the down section. To add it, by the same way hold and drag it to the subsection. And to change the positions of the icons we should just hold icon and drag it, then just tap to done to save the changes. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.